Yes, we are going to Israel. And finally nasa loob na kami ng plane and nakaupo na rin kami.
נשכו בקצה החופשי. לשחרור החבורה, הרימו את חלקו העליון של האבזן.
Diba, ang social ng promotion nila sa atin kasi diba actual na ginagawa yan ng mga flight attendants sa kanila, recorded video, ayun. So while waiting for this mandatory video of taking off, tama ba yung term ko? Kwento ko lang ng mabilis. Sa Dubai Airport, we were actually invited by the officer coming from Israel to join them sa isang room. So from there, we were asked with so much questions and our luggages were checked. Mahigpit talaga at mataas talaga ang security ng Israel. So understandable naman yun. And in-orient din naman ako nung Digop leader ko, by the way. Yung Digop leader ko po yung kasama ko dyan, si Kuya Marvin. Shout out to you, Kuya Marvin. Actually, sobrang kabado talaga ako. It's my first time to be invited sa isang room and ask for with different questions. Siguro one thing that I can suggest is that kung sino man yung kasama ninyo, you should know details about that person para kapag tinanong kayong dalawa ng magkahiwalay, yung answer ninyo is parehas. So, since yung Digop leader ko naman, nakilala ko niyan college days pa lang. So, may mga answers na kami na of course, napagandaan din namin yun. So, may common answers kami. So, by the way, this particular flight, pinili ng Digop leader ko yung El Al. That's the flagship carrier ng Israel for us to experience the best flight going to Israel. Technically, 3 hours lang naman siya, pero we really hope to enjoy it. Yan. Okay, sending a heads up. The next 2 minutes will be videos with raw sounds for you to see yung view from the window seat. And I do hope you enjoy it. Finally, malapit na kami sa Israel. I mean, nasa Israel na, malapit na mag-landing. That should be the term. Hindi ko talaga alam kanina kung ako lang ba yung nakapansin na parang ang bilis magpatakbo nung pilot ng airplane. Or baka guni-guni ko lang, o baka malakas lang yung hangin, kaya ganun yung clouds. I'm not really sure. But feel free to comment kung you agree with me on that particular statement, no? Pero feeling ko, baka kasi we are crossing particular borders with other countries, kaya medyo mas mabilis yung pagpapalipad niya. Not really sure. But the experience with El Al is really great kasi number one, there's a lot of goods. The sandwich is warm, nice, tasty. So it's really good. And plus may mga sweets silang pinamigay along the travel time. So I'm really happy because syempre may sweet tooth ako. So na-enjoy ko yung mga sweets na yun. And of course may free water din. Ayan. So right now few minutes, we will land sa Israel airport. And from there, let's see what will happen. But for now, konting-konti na lang. Malapit na. Ang tagal ba ng video? Ayan. Touchdown, Israel. Ayan. So, nagpalakpakan po ang mga tao. Yes, you heard it right. Nagpalakpakan sila. Hindi ko alam kung culture ba nila yun or may something, pero nakipalakpak na lang din po kami niyan. Ayan. Marvin. Okay, story time muna tayo kasi syempre hindi ka pwede mag-video sa immigration. So these pictures are actually proof kung gaano kami kasaya because after the immigration, we were actually hold again sa border control naman ng Israel. We waited for around 30 minutes to 1 hour for us to be called, and then individually tinanong na naman kami ng items about us, about sa sarili namin, kung ano ginagawa namin, and about kung sino yung kasama namin. So akala namin tapos na yung pag border control or anything, but sa airport pala meron pa rin siya. I'm not really sure if it's because sa DIY travel kasi yung gagawin namin ni Kuya, or talagang mataas lang ang security ng Israel. So, but happy because moving forward, nakalabas din kami syempre ng airport and we're heading towards our next stop.
Magkano yung conversion ng 100 please?
Kuya, hindi ko na sure ang miss. Kasi,
Hindi, parehas lang yun, Israel shekel sa kanila.
hi guys! Finally, we arrived here in Israel. Yes, medyo haggard na. Hindi, haggard na talaga. Because since March 19 up until March 20, we are traveling from Philippines to Dubai and then from Dubai to Israel. Sobrang higpit ng security nila. So, that's something na kung mag-visit kayo ng Israel, you really need to be prepared. For now, we are just waiting for the bus going to Jerusalem. And then right after that, we're just going to check in sa place kung saan kami mag-stay, and then we'll definitely get some good rest. Right now, ang oras sa Philippines is 11 p.m. But right now, here sa Israel, I think 6 hours ata na advance ang PH. So, something like that. Hindi ko pa kabisado yung time. But, really happy. Finally, after all, we're here. That's it. And by the way, guys, malamig po dito. So, see you later. Bye!
לציבור הנוסעים הרציפים, נא להתרחק בשפת הרציף אל עבר הפס הצהוב. תודה. Travelers standing on the platform are...
I love it here. Yeah.
Why? What do you love?
Maybe I've already answered all the questions.
Yeah.
Question.
malamig.
A few moments later.
Siopaw na siopaw ako. Siopaw na siopaw. Napakalamig po. Sobrang lamig. Pero ang ganda ng view.
A few moments later.
Ito yung room namin ngayon, guys. Ayan, dito ako sa part na to. And then, I'm sharing the room with other tourists. So, meron din siyang locker. And then, a table. Technically, right now, we are, I think, 3 who's currently occupying this room. So, ayun. So, ayun guys, renting a place here in Israel, particularly in Jerusalem, is really expensive. So, I think this is the best way on what to do. Technically, yung Abraham ano tawag dito? Abraham Hostel, ayan. Abraham Hostel is actually sikat naman siya sa mga travelers. So, maganda rin naman yung review niya, and at the same time malinis naman din siya. So it's really a good choice for someone who's really on a budget to travel to Israel. So we're going to stay here in Jerusalem for 3 days, and then for Nazareth for 4 days, and the remaining of the days in Israel will be in Tel Aviv. So I'll check kung pare-pareha sila ng room. But for now, I am going to sleep. Bukas na po tayo magkwentuhan. Okay? Bye-bye!
Wala.